Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most extreme environments on Earth, the Sahara Desert. It's a land of scorching heat, endless sand dunes and harsh conditions, but with the right knowledge, you can survive and even thrive here. Let's explore how. First things first, let's talk about the basics of desert survival. The Sahara stretches over 9 million square kilometers, making it the largest hot desert in the world. Temperatures can soar above 50 degrees Celsius, or 122 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and drop drastically at night. So how do you navigate and survive in such an extreme place? The number one priority in the desert is water. Hydration is key. Dehydration can set in quickly, so it's crucial to conserve water and find new sources. Always carry more water than you think you'll need. If you're out of water, look for signs of life. Animals and plants often indicate water nearby, and remember, never drink salt water, it dehydrates you faster. One effective way to collect water is by using a solar still. Dig a hole, place a container in the center, cover the hole with plastic, and weight down the center with a small rock. As the sun heats the ground, water will evaporate, condense on the plastic, and drip into the container. Secondly, navigation is everything. In a sea of sand, it's easy to lose your sense of direction. Always carry a compass and a detailed map. The sun can also be a guide as it rises in the east and sets in the west. At night, you can use the stars, particularly the North Star, to navigate. Shelter is also important. Protecting yourself from the elements is crucial. During the day, seek shade to avoid the extreme heat. You can create a makeshift shelter using a tarp, blanket, or even digging into the sand to create a cooler space. At night, you'll need to insulate yourself against the cold, so use any available materials to cover up. You'll also need food. While finding food in the desert can be challenging, it's not impossible. Look for edible plants like cacti and date palms. However, it's essential to know which plants are safe to eat. Some can be toxic. Small animals and insects can also be a food source if you're in a dire situation. Make sure to also signal for help. If you're lost, it's vital to signal for help. A signal mirror can reflect sunlight over long distances, and building a smoky fire can attract attention. Make sure to create large, visible signals. 3 of anything, like 3 fires or 3 marks in the sand, is the international distress signal. Remember to stay calm and positive. Survival is as much a mental challenge as it is a physical one. Stay calm, keep a positive mindset, and take things one step at a time. Remember, people have survived in the Sahara for thousands of years. You can too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more survival tips and adventure guides. Share your thoughts and any wild you've had below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.